Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to collaborate with others on a project, but you didn't have the right tools? Maybe you were using a spreadsheet, and it was difficult to keep track of all the different versions and changes. Or maybe you were using a project management tool, but it was too expensive or complicated for your needs. So you're not alone. Many people struggle to find the right tools to help them collaborate and manage their projects effectively. But what if I told you that there is a free tool that can help you do all of this and more? In this video, I'm going to talk about Smartsheet, a powerful cloud-based platform that can help you collaborate with others, manage your projects, and get more done. I'll also show you how to use Smartsheet for free. Smartsheet is a spreadsheet-like tool that can be used to manage projects, tasks, and workflows. It is a very powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, including tracking project progress, managing tasks and deadlines, collaborating with others, reporting on project status, and much more. Smartsheet is available in two versions, a free version and a paid version. The free version has some limitations, but it is still a very powerful tool that can be used to manage small projects. The paid version has more features, such as advanced reporting and automation capabilities. Can I use Smartsheet for free? Yes, you can use Smartsheet for free. The free version has some limitations, but it is still a very powerful tool that can be used to manage small projects. What are the limitations of the free version of Smartsheet? The free version of Smartsheet has the following limitations. You can only have up to 3 users on your account. You can only have up to 25 sheets in your workspace. You can only use the basic features of Smartsheet. You cannot export your data to Excel. How can I get started with Smartsheet for free? To get started with Smartsheet for free, simply go to the Smartsheet website and sign up for a free account. Once you have created your account, you can start using Smartsheet immediately. How to use Smartsheet for free? Once you have created your Smartsheet account, you can start using it to manage your projects. Here are a few tips for using Smartsheet for free. Use the templates to get started quickly. Learn the keyboard shortcuts to make it easier to navigate around Smartsheet. Use the Help Center to learn more about how to use Smartsheet. Additional tips for using Smartsheet for free. Use Smartsheet to collaborate with others on projects. Use Smartsheet to track project progress. Use Smartsheet to manage tasks and deadlines. Use Smartsheet to report on project status. Use Smartsheet to automate repetitive tasks. Smartsheet is a powerful tool that can help you collaborate with others, manage your projects, and get more done. The free version of Smartsheet is a great option for small projects, but the paid version has more features and is a better option for larger projects. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.